Hello guys and welcome back. So अभी हम आ गए हैं Tegenungan Waterfall.
Yeah, that's how I would say it.
I know that you're afraid, it feels like every day things are slipping away, you're slipping away, and you think back to a time that you were lost. Thoughts disorganized, can't seem to dry your eyes, and chaos is collapsing from your mind. And you say that you're fine, but now you're out of time. Out of time. You're out of time. You're out of time. And now you're out of time. Now you're out of time. Never measure up, you'll never be enough. People say tough stuff, you should just suck it up. And you think back to a time that you were lost. Thoughts disorganized, can't seem to dry your eyes, and chaos is collapsing from your mind. And you say that you're fine, but now you're out of time. Out of time. You're out of time. You're out of time. And now you're out of time.
And one ticket cost how much?
20,000.
The 20,000 Indonesian rupee is a bird nest, bird cage for photos, selfie, lookout points, and a waterfall. Oh, stamp! I love stamps.
Thank you.
Oh, I'm in a good boy.
Thank you.
Everyone's got a Bintang t-shirt. Oh, jeez, look at the.
Look at this.
That's a lot of water, and there's a swimming pool. Oh, look at
We
that.
could get changed back in our swimmers. I'll get a photo there.
That is cool. You know what?
awesome.
I'm gonna jump in there and get a photo as
Are
well.
you?
Yeah. When I was here last time, I actually crossed over
Wow.
and went to those stairs.
You
I
can't
don't-
do that now.
Nah, you can't because
Impossible.
it's heavy. Ah! 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 Muscles. Ah! I reckon it's about maybe 30-35 kilos. Oh well, hope my arms look big.
Look at the sitting at the top of the...
Remember when I told you that when I was here last time, people could sit up there and stuff? I don't think we can do that now because the stairs do go up there. After waterfall, अभी हम जा रहे हैं इस restaurant में जो ऊपर से मैंने pool दिखाया था ना, infinity pool. It's all actually a restaurant and one place. Omma नाम है इसका. Entry is free, but वो कह रहे हैं कि सिर्फ as long as you buy alcohol and stuff, which is
But
fine.
now you're out of time. Out of time. You're out of time. You're out of time. And now you're out of time. Now you're out of time. Never measure up, you'll never be enough. People say tough stuff, you should just suck it up. And you think back to a time that you were lost. Thoughts disorganized, can't seem to dry your eyes, and chaos is collapsing from your mind. And you say that you're fine, but now you're out of time.
We're getting a drink.
Yes.
And the swing is also 50,000.
Are you gonna go on the swing?
Maybe.
Maybe. Lela's maybe usually ends up in the yes.
And Thank